everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said, minimize the use of your phone. Don't spend so much time in using it. I want you to take a rest. I don't want you to spend more time in using your phone. I want you to spend more time in my Bible. I want you to have a daily meditation to my words. Please minimize the use of your phones. Please minimize it. I want you to array in holiness. I want you to array in godliness. I want you to array in spiritual. I don't want you to be carnal. Do not love the things of this world. I want you to love my words. I want you to live in my words. I don't want you to be separated from my words. Please minimize the use of your phones because through your phones there is lust. You could see some lustful things through it. Through your phone you will be upset. Please take my disciplines. I don't want you to be like that. I don't want you to have that kind of feelings. I don't want you to act unholy. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.